welcome again to Diary of a Stay-at-Home Mom. I am so excited to have you. It's been a long time. I know, right? That break was a long one. And so I think I took like a month break. And life happens, so we adjust, right? Because the children were at home, we're not really able to film because where we are is not really it's not really spacious. So most times I film when they are in school, and so having them in my space, and I didn't want to bring out the camera or any of the lighting stuff so that they don't break it down. And I cherish my sleep, so I can't record at night or early in the morning, so that's out of it. So the only time I can get to record is during the daytime when they are in school, or so that school hour time is like my productive time. So yeah, that's that. And I'm here again. We're back in a new setting. Do you like the setting? Let me know in the comment section. I missed you guys. Even though I know that we don't really interact like that, but then we're getting closer. I'm trying to during this time off, I've been doing a lot more recordings for my other projects that I'm doing, and getting a lot more relaxed in front of the camera. And let me know how well I am doing so far. I believe that this YouTube channel is meant for a bigger purpose, and today's topic actually was coined from a discussion that I had with one of my Flexi moms. I'm known as a Flexi Mom Coach if you're just joining us on this channel, and I'm known as the Flexi Mom Coach because I am privileged to coach a community of women where all we do is make prayer a lifestyle, and make us we are really intentional about the health of our spirit, our soul, and our bodies. And so we like to read. We used to have a reading group. We've not done that this year, but I have been reading. We just had a lot of we have a lot of restructuring to do. Our review community, book review committee has not been really active because of some key members that are not available because of the work that they are doing currently. And but every other person has been reading. We've been very active in different ways. We've been praying as always since 2019. We've been praying together 4 a.m. and 12 noon Nigerian time, and it's been a very, very, very fantastic, eye-opening experience, because I've seen a lot of women transition from lukewarm spiritual life to a very fervent spiritual life, and that I'm grateful to God for. So basically, I'm just trying to let you all catch up with what I have been up to. And so, like I said, one of the ladies asked me, because I shared a program that I am creating. And we talked about healthy living, and she was like, Coach, I know healthy living is very expensive and all of that. And I was like, literally when I hear these things outside, I don't really mind, because the people that are talking, I don't really know them, and I haven't really they've not been part of my life and all of that. But for those that are close to me, like you guys they have a special part in my heart. So in that community, I take everybody like my sister. Most of them see me as a mentor, but as much as possible, I just try to share the things that God is helping me with, and I believe that it will help a lot of people. So that's that, and that's basically what we do in the community. And so when she said that, because our core value, the reason why we do what we do is because we want people to be intentional about the health of their spirit, their soul, and their bodies. And so if we're seeing taking care of our bodies as expensive, then there's a red flag. So there's so many things that are embedded in that question that I want to take over. I want to talk about during the course of this series. So this is going to be a series. So if you have any question, please feel free to ask me. Drop it in the comment section, and I'll be happy to share with you. So this is the first of the series. This is me just introducing the topic. In the next one, I'm going to be talking more. I have my phone with me, and I'm going to be sharing the things that I told her over this about 30 minutes conversation we had together. I don't want to just be to just one person. I don't just want one person to benefit from it. I want you all to benefit from everything that I told her. And if you're here and you think healthy living is expensive, my sister, please, you need to stick to the end of this series to learn from what I'm going to be sharing. Very practical, simple steps that you can start right where you are. Okay, so that's that. On that note, I will be seeing you in the next video, in part 2. Before then, I want to use this time to invite you to a special program that is happening on Thursday, the 26th of May. God has helped me to co-found, I don't know if that's the right word, but I'm a co-founder of a new fitness, virtual fitness company. You guys will be hearing a lot about the story as we go along. I'll be sharing with you certain things, but please, you need to register to be a part of this conference, this summit, because we are bringing different speakers from different places. My husband is going to be talking about how healthy lifestyle can help you to build wealth, and I feel like that topic is very, very important. So you get to know more about it. And the company that I'm privileged to be a co-founder is Heal Hide Fitness, and Heal Hide simply means wholesome fitness. So we are here to give you wholesome fitness tips. So that said, it's going to be very, very busy season. I'm going to be doing a lot of recordings, and that's why I'm in this zone. So don't mind if you see this particular clothes. I know our clothes is white, all right? Our uniform. I'm going to be wearing this throughout the season because I'm going to be breaking the videos. So that's it. I wanted to invite you to the program. The link I'll drop the link in the chat or in somewhere in the description box, and so that you can register. Okay, so thank you very much. I will see you in the next video. Bye.